Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic. Alright viewers, here we are at our computer screen and this is Australia Awards John Allwright Fellowship 2021. Applicants are welcome from participants in both bilateral and multilateral project. Applicants must be working with an ASIR project in a current partner developing countries. You must check out developing country partners by clicking here. I will give you the link in the description of this video. Next, moving on to further detail, applicants must be citizen of the country in which they are working. To be eligible for selection, a candidate must be at the time of applying hold qualifications that would be assessed to be equivalent to at least an Australian bachelor's degree in a discipline that is relevant to the proposed area of postgraduate study. Next criteria is be a scientist or economist from the developing country partner who is actively involved in a collaborative research project supported by ACIAR at the time of application. In some cases, ACIAR will consider supporting researchers from advanced pipelines projects, i.e. in cases of where a full project proposal has been approved by ACIAR. Be jointly supported in application by Australian and partnered country project leaders. Next criteria is obtain approval from the employing institution who must agree to the absence of the candidate should she receive a fellowship for the period involved in obtaining the postgraduate qualification, and demonstrate that she is employed on a permanent rather than short-term contract basis. Within the fellowship scheme, ACIAR strives to meet the Australian government policy on gender equity and reflects ACIAR's training policies and strategies. Now, how to apply and procedure. There is one call for nominees per year. In view of the impact of the COVID-19, DFATE has reviewed the current schedule for 2021 intake. Australia Award Scholarship application and advises that the closing date for submission of 2021 intake application deadline be extended to 30th April to 30th June 2020. An offer of an award is only valid for the Australian academic year following the calendar year in which the offer is made. It is important that the project leaders check the eligibility of proposed candidates before application, including the selection of criteria used by committee in the competitive process. Any queries may be directed to the appropriate research program manager on the project officer capacity building. You can check out this link as well. I will give you the whole link of this website in the description of this video. You can check out there as well. If you have any questions or queries related to this, you can ask me in the comment section below.